2018 GMC Sierra 2500HD. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features. Side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. Visit our dealership soon and start driving today.